guys, Guns and Game here. Welcome to an unboxing video. Here we have perfect tool for you that heard that you put in too much lead or take lead off. You missed the bird. You don't know if you shot ahead or on its back. Here it is. Something to add for your collection. Something that will take that away from your system. Let's see what it is. Alright, let's open this box up and see what we have. Whoa, this is it. Moment of truth. The incredible ShotKam. Whoa, nice box. Look at this. Excellent. Wow. Beautiful. Last edition ShotKam. Wow, guys. The gun camera. Yeah. Let's see what it comes with. Alright. Look at this case. Oh yeah, when we open the box, there's for sure a feeling that something serious it's inside. Something that will change your shooting forever. Nice little range here. Look at this ShotKam for cleaning the lenses. Quick start guide. Let's see what we have. Wow. Okay. First of all, we have a nice cable here. HDMI. Nice and long cable. Look at this. And also with spare pieces. We have here a cover for the lenses. 2 screws. 2 spare screws. A spare Allen key. What else we have here? It's like a rubber insert. Another lens protection. Charger. Okay. 5 volts. So yeah, normal charger. And here it is. Turn on, turn off bottom. Here are the 2 screws that they send in the box for spare if you need it. I know that I saw on the website you can buy the insert for if you have a 16, 20, 28 gauge or even a 410. Just buy the spare piece and it will fit. Alright? This is for you that is curious how heavy it is. So it's 185 grams or 6.85 ounces. A400 Extreme Plus. Let's try to see if it fits on the barrel. Here it is. Moment of truth. The insert closes perfect here. So we have to align this with the barrel. It's light. Still balanced. So now let's set it up, make some recordings and see how it works. Thank you for watching our video, guys.